Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're hanging out by the Las Vegas Strip and we're camping at the KOA in Las Vegas. Today we're going to be making some shrimp pad thai and we're actually using a recipe from empty Pantry Entrées. I'll be linking their YouTube link down below. You'll definitely have to check them out. For this recipe we're going to need a few ingredients: lime juice, shrimp, squeezed ginger, garlic, brown rice noodles, crunchy peanut butter, cilantro, soy sauce, fish sauce, gochujang, rice wine vinegar, brown sugar, peanuts, and some eggs. Let's get started. Now for his pad thai sauce recipe, we are going to do 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, and 1.5 tablespoons of peanut butter. And then in his recipe, he includes 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, but I'm only gonna use 1. And in his recipe, his sauce did come out a little bit thicker. Now we're just gonna boil our pasta and get our shrimp cooking. So our water is boiling. So we are going to put in our pasta and you can kind of give it a little swirl. And we have 8 ounces of brown rice pad thai noodles. Now those only need to boil for about 5 minutes. And while those are boiling, we are going to go ahead and peel 1/2 pound of shrimp. And I got the easy peel variety. So all you do is grab the skin or the shell and pop it right off. And these are also already cleaned and deveined, so that is something you should look for in the grocery store, so then you don't have to clean a shrimp in a camper. So now our pasta is finished cooking. It took a little bit over 5 minutes. So now an easy way to do this in a camper without using a strainer is we are just going to take some tongs and we are going to transfer our pad thai noodles into a bowl. You can use some tongs as a strainer and just slowly dump that water out. So now we have our noodles in a separate bowl. Now it is okay if they cool down a little bit because we will be reheating them in the sauce. So now we're gonna turn on our skillet and we'll put it on medium high. Shrimp, squeezed ginger, minced garlic, roasted but unsalted peanuts. And just swirl those shrimps and peanuts around in that ginger and garlic. And we will just let these cook for a couple of minutes. So our shrimp is almost done cooking. So we are just going to chop up a little bit of cilantro. And then we can chop our lime in half because we will be squeezing the juice into our pad thai. So now we're gonna take our shrimp, and what you wanna do is scoot them to one side of the pan. Some of them are getting some nice color. Crack in some egg. And then you just wanna scramble those up. Sauce right in there, and our noodles will go back in, that lime juice, and our cilantro. And you just wanna stir that around and cook it long enough to reheat the pasta and to heat up that sauce. So our pad thai is totally heated up. Doesn't that look delicious? So now we are just gonna scoop some into our bowl. Now if you really like shrimp, you can definitely add a full pound, but we just wanted a little bit of shrimp in this pasta. And then sesame seeds are optional, but they add a nice flavor. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you're gonna check out this recipe. Zena sure is excited to try some. And definitely come to Las Vegas and check out the KOA. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.